everyone is treating you well. I know some of y'all are really missing school and some of y'all are really happy that you don't have to go to school. But the fact that unites all of y'all is that some of your portion is omitted from the textbooks, and I'm here to talk about English as a subject and what is omitted for SSC 2021. Let's see. Hey students, I am Mansi Nair and I am going to talk about the omitted portion for subject English for SSC 2020-21 academic year. Let's see what all is omitted in your subject. The portion omitted is only for the year 2020-21 due to the COVID-19 lockdown situation, as we all know. I would like if you all keep a pencil and the English Kumar Bharti textbook for standard 10th handy for ease in marking the omitted portion. So the state board came out with two plans of reduction, Plan A and Plan B. First, I'm going to talk about Plan A, which is 15% reduction, which is applicable from July onwards, July 2020 onwards. Let's see what all is omitted in Plan A, 15% of your. For Unit 1, on page number 2, Activity 1 and Activity 2 is given for homework and self-study. On page number 5, Activity 7 is given for self-study. Moving ahead, on page number 6, question number 10 is omitted completely because the reason stated by the board is that the information is available on the internet. On page number 13, activity 9 is given as an assignment. On page number 20, activity 8 is given for self-study. On page number 27, activity 8 is an assignment because it includes the use of internet. On page number 35, mark activity number 6. It is omitted because it is basically based on usage of the internet. And on page number 42, activity 9A is given as an assignment. On page number 43, activity number 11 is given as an assignment, and this brings us to the end of Unit 1. Now let's see what is omitted in Unit 2. On page number 56, the entire page is given as self-study homework, and entire page 57 is also given as self-study and homework. Moving on to page number 60, activity 13 and 14 is marked as self-study, and page number 68, activity 10 is given as a home assignment. On page number 75, the entire page is marked as self-study, and page number 77, activity 3 is marked as self-study. Moving on to page number 85, activity number 5 is given as self-study, and page number 88, activity number 13 is given as an assignment. Moving on, in chapter number 2.6, page number 89, activity 6 and is given as homework, and on page number 97, the entire page is cancelled because it is repetitive. So it is marked as self-study. Moving on, page number 99, activity number 13 and 14 is given as assignment. This brings us to the end of Unit 2. Now we move on to Unit 3 and let's see what is omitted there. On page number 105, activity 7 is marked as self-study. On page number 106, activity 10 is marked as an assignment. Moving on page number 113, activities 11, 12, 13 and 14 are marked as self-study, and on page number 120, activity 6 is marked as self-study. Moving ahead, on page number 121, activity 11, 12 is marked as self-study, and on page number 127, activity 7, 8, A, 8B, 8C, 9, 10 and 11, all of these activities are marked as self-study. On page number 134, the entire page and entire page 136, both the pages 134 and 136 are marked as self-study. On page number 143, activity number 7 and activity number 8 are marked as self-study, and on page number 144, activity number 10 is marked as an assignment. This brings us to the end of Unit 3. Now let's see what is omitted in Unit 4. Moving ahead, on page number 149, activity number 8 and 9 are marked as self-study, and on page number 155, activity number 4 is marked as self-study. Turn your pages to page number 156. Activity number 14 is marked as self-study, and page number 165, activity number 9 is marked as an assignment. On page number 166, activity number 12 is marked as self-study, and on page number 167, activity number 15 is marked as self-study. Moving ahead, on page number 173, the entire page is marked as self-study, which includes activity number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9. And on page number 177, activities number 3, 4, 5 and 6 all are marked as self-study. On page number 178, activity number 9, 10 and 11 are marked as self-study. And on page number 179, the entire page, which includes activity number 1, 2, 3, are marked as self-study. And on page number 188, activity number 9 is given as an assignment, which brings us to the end of Unit 4. Now, this sums up all what is omitted in all the 4 units in your textbook, and this brings us to an end of basically Plan A that the state government gave us, okay, which included 15% cut in your syllabus. But recently, they updated the plan. They updated it to Plan B, which was 25% cut in August 2020, which included reduction of 25% of the syllabus. So let's see what that in basically Unit 1, chapter number 1.3, Wings of Courage. The entire chapter is omitted, but the activity on page number 14, activity number 1 and activity number 2 have been retained. Retained means they stay and they may be asked in the exam, but the chapter has been omitted. So you can cancel out page number 15, 16 and 17 from your textbook. Also page number 18. On page number 19, activities 4 and 5 have been omitted, but activity number 6 has been retained for language study purpose. On page number 20, activity number 7A and 7B have been retained, but activity number 8 has been omitted. Coming to page number 21, activity number 9 and activity number 10 have been retained. Coming to Unit 2, chapter number 2.6, Science and Spirituality, along with all the activities, has entirely been omitted for the year 2020-21's academic syllabus. So you can cancel out page number 89 to page number 99 of your textbook. None of that will be asked in the exam. About Unit 3, poem number 3.4, The Will to Win, along with all the activities, is entirely omitted for the year 2020-21's academic syllabus. So you can cancel pages 122 to page number 127. None of that is going to be asked. For Unit 4, poem number 4.1, A Thing of Beauty is a Joy Forever, along with all the activities, is entirely omitted for the year 2020-21's academic syllabus. Cancel pages 145 to page number 149 of your textbook. Remember students, everything that you all are cancelling is only for this particular year, which is 2020-21, due to COVID corona situation. And in Unit 4,
chapter number 4.6, the gift of Magi, has also been omitted except for 4 activities, which are the last 4 activities. Apart from that, the entire chapter is omitted from the textbook. So cancel out page number 179 to page number 187 of your textbook. The activities that are retained are on page number 188, activity number 10, on page number 189, activity number 11, activity number 12, and on page number 190, activity 13 has been omitted, which brings us to the end of unit 4 and the end of plan B, which suggested 25% of your syllabus to be reduced. Okay, so basically what you have to follow is plan A plus plan B. So everything that you marked right now while the lecture was going on is completely either retained or given to you all as homework or self-study. The chapters that were mentioned in plan B that are omitted stay omitted. Okay, I hope I'm clear. If you have any doubts, you can drop your doubts in the comment section. Thank you so much.
Okay students, I hope you understood the video, and if you understood the video and really liked it, please like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the latest updates from us at SRT. And if you have any doubts regarding English as a subject or regarding this video, please put your doubts in the comment section so that I can get back to you and answer all your doubts. Till then, stay committed to excellence.